Good morning. You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, me know I miss the Murray morning, but I'm back with it again. Right now, me kind of busy in the past weeks, so me put it on hold a bit. But right now, I'm ready to take on the road serious. So today is Sunday, October the 2nd. I don't know, say tomorrow are the first day of school for most school. So I want to tell every schoolers, so if you be safe and study on a book, don't waste money. So to the stories today. Huge fight in KFC Montego Bay. Pastor apologized to Ariana Grande. Police force new nickname Shenyeng. And Usain Bolt first appearance in professional football. All of this and more coming up.
I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up, glory to thee, oh God.
That was a preview of the video to the single of Wayne Marshall, Glory Be to God. And I know in the Sunday day, people are going to appreciate that because a lot of big people like the music there, like the song there. Me like it too because it give God all of the glory. And a God will give the glory in the Sunday. So moving on, let me start it off with a little positive note, some positive vibes before we go into the big drama. 4th Gen recording artist GOVANA passed through at reggae superstar CHRONIXX Youth Development Foundation in Spanish Town, where both artists were born and raised, and donated a sum of $100,000. Now we have to say big up to GOVANA, and of them things they would like to see unity. You don't know, one a reggae and one a dancehall, but the two of them are icon in them own way. And big up for the unity, big up for the donation. Hope more artists will see and follow. So we still up on a positive note because Sergeant Carl Partison of the St. Andrew North Division was spotted assisting the driver of this disabled pickup in an effort to alleviate traffic congestion on Red Hills Road yesterday. And we have to say good job police officer. And them thing you want to see. Hold on, I call the man by my right name. Carl Partison, good job Carl Partison. And them thing I would like to see. This police was seen assisting a motorist as well, but unfortunately me never really get him name or which division him from or nothing like that. But me still have to say big up to the Jamaica Constabulary Force who know I do a good job in assisting the public, which that is what you guys are there for. Don't. Now for a little drama because me know no wait upon it. The pastor apologized to Ariana Grande. Here. Chano, more go into the story, but me have to laugh to myself. But watch this clip.
The pastor who officiated at Franklin's funeral has apologized. Bishop Charles Ellis said he was sorry for touching performer Ariana Grande on stage and making a joke about her name. Images showed the minister's hand holding Grande above her waist with the fingers of one hand pressing against one side of her chest. Ellis said, quote, "The last thing I want to do is be a distraction to this day. This is all about Aretha Franklin."
So after the man publicly assaulted the young lady on stage at a funeral, he want to come apologize. That news broadcast never really show it good. So me I go show you what him do. Uno watch this clip right here. Look how the man finger them step on the little girl breast.
When I saw Ariana Grande on the program, I thought that was something at Taco Bell. Girl, let me give you all your respect. Did y'all enjoy this icon? She's an icon herself. Come on.
And if him go on so publicly, you can imagine where him go on with discreetly. That man goodly run through the whole of the church system them. So from the track to soccer, Usain Bolt appeared in his first professional football game. And people, me have some highlights. So I hope you like. Boy, I feel proud of Usain Bolt. Look on the boss, man. Even though it's not the team that he want to play for, but I mean, it's still professional football. Usain Bolt to say, but look to see where I'm going to do. Wow, that was actually a bad pass. I don't know, but probably he could have controlled it. I don't know. But look at this goal scoring opportunity right now. And Usain Bolt never buried it. People, me could have buried that in my sleep while playing FIFA. Make me know what you think. You feel say Usain Bolt for just load the football thing and be a legend on the track, or you feel say if you just follow him dream and be the first professional soccer player and runner. Well, me don't know if I'm my first still, but me know say him would be the first world record holder and triple Olympic and all those medal we him have. Yo, you see another bag of medal here, man. Me know him are the first. Cause what? Him are the GOAT, greatest of them all. And a Jamaica him come from. And we're proud of that. So the Jamaica Constabulary Force get 700 new member. And with those 700 new member, them get some new bike. The bike them look. Well, me not gonna describe how them look. Me just gonna show you. And then me gonna show you why people are call them Shenyeng.
The Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement branch of the Jamaica Constabulary Force is rolling out. You'll see high visibility police officers on our roads, patrolling our public spaces and in our communities.
So due to the bike them have that neon bright green yellowish color there, everybody on social media start call them Shenyeng. Why? Because Shensia call our people them, call our clan them, call our fans them Shenyeng. And then Shensia have that bright green, kind of the same resemblance Bima. So everybody just attached to the name. You know say Jamaican try to make fun out of everything. Them also have some meme where they make as well. But you can just take a look. Now to the final story. Me know at this wait pan the fight at KFC Montego Bay. It don't look good for KFC. This is the second fight in like a month, or I should say second major fight in which people just a fight. With the last time a two co-worker fight, and now it look like it's between a security guard and I don't know if it's a customer or what. And people, I am going to try my best to show this video, but I promise myself so me not to show nothing with them kind of nature here on my channel, because the last time I show a little clippings, my channel gets strike. Yes, me get strike. So here goes, and I'm gonna put the link to the full video in the description, so you can just click one button and reach over my IG page, or just follow me. At the end, me I go put everything. Yes, people, it look bad. It look bad on KFC. I swear, Colonel Sanders would have turned in a grave. I swear the man would have get the secret recipe to Burger King after watching this video. But me no know. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think in the comment section. You feel say are the chicken them really a fight over? Because me just see this video and decide say me I go put it on the morning show. Spice up the thing a little, you know what I mean? Even though a Sunday, John was star. Should I put them thing up on Sunday? But at the reality, so tell me what you think. Tell me what you think in the comment section. where you feel say go on, as what me say already. Tell me if you don't like this video, and if you do like this video, give the video a like no. But before me go, I wanna say congratulations to my cousin Kayla Doyle. She passed her GSAT, figure immaculate. Girl, I got high school now. Someone have to say congratulations. But one thing, you know that school they got already? Our uniform, they wear down her ankle. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and you can follow me on IG. That's I am DJ Chaddy. So that's I-AM DJ CHADDY. And you know say at this you can go to see the full unedited video of the KFC fight. You know how we do it. Big up to everybody. We are go back to school, as me say in the intro already. Hope on study on a book. And kids, please be safe. Be safe on the road. Be safe in school. Stay in school. And no drugs, no marijuana, no liquor, no nothing. Just normal kid stuff. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.